अगर आपके पास पूरा पॉडकास्ट देखने का वक्त नहीं है तो बढ़िया बढ़िया रसीली क्लिप्स देखिए और आनंद उठाइए। सब्सक्राइब टू
बट देन
दोस्त
लेट मी आस्क यू दिस, अगर आप कह रहे हो कि 50% लोग प्रीमियम पे करना ही छोड़ देते हैं और वो मतलब
खत्म है
एग्जिट आउट ही हो जाते हैं, तो आई एम वर्स ऑफ व्हेन आई एम at the tail end of my life, where at the middle of my life I started an insurance product कि मेरी इंश्योरेंस होगी, परिवार की होगी. At the tail end I have nothing. I've lost money.
Yeah, so then you have to buy the right product. No? So if you do have dependents, then you're buying this product called Pure Term Life, which is, they don't sell it because the premium value is small. Like for 8,000 rupees, if you're buying a crore of pure cover, then the commission is on that 8,000 and not 80,000, which would have had investment on it. You understand? So
Yeah.
उस 80,000 में आपके 8,000 रुपए प्रीमियम लाइफ प्रीमियम के गए थे, बाकी 72,000 rupees was investment. So I'm saying split those two decisions. Life, term life, agar chahiye, if you have debts, for example, suppose you've taken a loan and so your income plus the loan that you have taken, that is the amount of life cover you need if you have dependents. If you don't have dependents, or if you are already financially free, you don't need life insurance. It's not a product you need.
It's a revelation to many.
Yes. So therefore I say, please read my book, Let's Talk Money. I get people mailing me and saying that we woke up when we read your life insurance chapter. We didn't understand how this worked. We are not going to fund these policies. So there is a way you can, if you surrender, you'll get something back. You can make them paid up. So there is a way that you will lose money in any case.
So you're saying split the cover, एक अलग चीज है, उसको अलग करो,
उसको अलग, जैसे
और
कार
इन्वेस्टमेंट
इंश्योरेंस
अलग करो.
हाँ, जैसे कार इंश्योरेंस खरीदते हो ना, ऐसे अपनी लाइफ की इंश्योरेंस कराओ if you have dependents and if you are not financially free. Then you buy a pure term life cover, split that decision, and जो इन्वेस्टमेंट वाला पैसा है, you invest, चाहे फिक्स डिपॉजिट, NSC खरीदो, किसान विकास पत्र, PPF, mutual fund, if you understand funds. It's a risk-based product only if you understand that risk. If you don't understand risk, please stay safe with the safer products. सरकार की बहुत सारी स्कीम्स हैं जो 100% सेफ है ना, PPF, NSC, किसान विकास पत्र, आप वो खरीदो, आपको रिस्क नहीं चाहिए तो. बट व्हाई आर यू बाइंग दीज डड प्रोडक्ट्स?